My guide, a friendly expat named Amir, had offered to show me around. "They don't advertise this place," he warned as we ducked into a narrow alleyway. The air smelled of spices and incense, and the chatter of vendors echoed off the walls. I felt like I was stepping into a secret world. After a few twists and turns, we came to an unassuming door tucked behind a stall selling colorful scarves. Amir knocked 3 times, and the door creaked open. Inside, the atmosphere shifted. The dimly lit room was lined with shelves overflowing with bags that looked astonishingly authentic. It was as though I'd stumbled into a luxury boutique, except this boutique didn't come with the jaw-dropping price tags. A Louis Vuitton Mirage. The first bag to catch my eye was a Louis Vuitton Neverfull tote. The monogrammed canvas gleamed under the soft lighting, and the stitching was flawless. I'd seen enough real Louis Vuitton bags to know this was an impressive fake. "How much?" I asked the vendor, a middle-aged man with a shrewd smile. "For you, madam, only 700 dirhams," he said, which was roughly $190. My jaw nearly hit the floor. The real Neverfull tote retails for over $2,000. I scrutinized the bag closely, expecting to find telltale signs of it being a knockoff. The leather trim had the same rich caramel tone, and even the hardware felt weighty and well-made. If someone handed me this bag without context, I might have believed it was genuine.